Hello student, today we will discuss few questions of chapter reflection and refraction, and then we will continue with human eye and colorful world. Question number 15. An object of size 7 cm is placed at 27 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 18 cm. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp image can be obtained? Find the size and the nature of the image. So we will write what is given. The height of object 7 cm. Object distance minus 27 cm. Focal length minus 18 cm. So 1 upon V plus 1 upon U equal to 1 upon F. So 1 upon V equal to 1 upon F minus 1 upon U. 1 upon F is minus 18 minus 27 minus 1 upon 18 minus plus 27. LCM is 54. 18 3s are 54 minus 3 plus 27 into 2 54. So minus 3 plus 1 minus 1 upon 54. V equal to minus 54 centimeter. Hence, screen should be at a distance of 54 centimeter in front of concave mirror. Now, we will calculate the magnification. M equal to Hi upon H0 minus V by U. So minus V 54 minus 54. Actually V is positive, but that sign of minus 54 upon 27 into size of object 7. So minus cut. 7 into 2 14. The height of image will be 14 centimeter. Then question number 17. A doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power 1.5 diopter. Find the focal length of the lens. Is the prescribed lens converging or diverging? So P equal to 1 upon F in meter. P is plus 1.5, 1 upon F. F equal to 1 upon 1.5. That is 2 upon 3 plus 67 centimeter. Hence, the lens will be convex or diverging lens should be used. So these are the two questions which we have discussed today. Now our exercise is over. So today we will start a new chapter, that is human eye and the colorful world. This is chapter number 11. So your introduction is given. You have studied in the previous chapter about reflection of light by lenses. You have also studied about the nature, position, relative size. Okay. How these ideas help us in the study of human eye. Now today we will focus on the human eye. The human eye uses light, and with the help of light we can see the object. So definitely one lens will be there inside the human eye. Definitely one screen will be there. And some people uses the spect lenses, people uses that, and lenses used in spectacles to correct the defects. So all these things we will discuss in this chapter. We will also discuss some of the optical phenomenon related with reflection and refraction. We will see how rainbows are formed and the colorful or blue color of sky. Why sun appears red in the morning? Why sun appears red in the evening? Why sky is blue? Why rainbow is formed? What is the reason behind in twinkling of stars? There are many questions, and all these questions are related with refraction and reflection of light. So we will start with the human eye, and gradually we will develop the concept. First we will discuss human eye, then what are the defects in a human eye, that we will discuss, and then gradually we will develop for rainbow and sky. So this is very simple structure of human eye, which consists the crystalline lens and ciliary muscles, aqueous humor, pupil, retina, optical nerve, cornea, and vitreous humor. These are the things which are in our eyes. The basic is the lens, and that will be convex lens. And this human eye is very important organ of human body, because without human eye we cannot see the world. So crystalline lens is there. The human eye is like a camera. Its lens system form an image on light sensitive screen that is called retina. So where is the retina? This is retina. And on this retina the image is formed. Actually it is like convex lens only. But the image form on the retina is inverted, and then it sends the signals to the brain through optic nerve. So light enters the eye through a membrane called cornea. First of all, here we have one cornea through which light enters into human eye. It forms the transparent bulge on the front surface of eyeball. The size of eyeball is approximately 2.3 centimeter, and most of the refraction for the light rays entering the eye occurs at the outer surface of the cornea. That means from outer surface of the cornea the rays entered and it focuses at incident over the surface of the lens. Now what is that lens? See, the lens, crystalline lens provides the inner adjustment of focal length required to focus at different distances on the retina. Okay, that means we can adjust the focal length of lens by using the ciliary muscles. And here we have very important organ, that is iris. This iris, what iris does there? We find a structure called iris behind the retina cornea. And iris is a dark muscular diaphragm that controls the size of the pupil. The pupil regulates and controls the amount of light. So iris is a structure behind the cornea, and pupil. See, sometimes when you move into a dark room, at the beginning you cannot see, but after some time later you will find, oh, something is there. Like in movie, like suppose you are going to a movie theater, and in afternoon 3 o'clock, so you are coming from the light. As soon as you enter into hall, at the beginning very dark, but after some time later you realize, oh, there are many people are sitting here. So how that happened? Because when you are outside, the size of pupils is very small, and we require very less amount of light to see object when we are outside. But when we move into a dark room, so we require more light. That is why the size of pupil increases, and it takes some time to increase the size of pupil, and then after some time later you find other people also. So pupil controls the amount of light. In human and most of the mammal birds, the iris is a thinner annular structure in the eye, responsible for the controlling the diameter and the size of the pupil, thus amount of light reaching the retina. Through pupil the light enters. Eye color is defined by that of the iris. In optical term, the pupil is the aperture, or it is diaphragm. Okay, this is an iris. The iris in human is colored area with the pupil in the center and surrounded by the white sclera. So this is white sclera. Black spot, the circular dark black spot. Two things. This is circular black dark spot and white, and it is surrounded by white sclera. You know the size, the color of eye. Different types of eyes are there. Blue color eyes, blue, black, and it is because of the iris. This is one defect, heterochromia. One eye is yellow and one eye is blue. It is because of the different iris. So today we will discuss this much. In next period we will continue with the defects and other definitions with human eye. Okay, thank you.